everybody, Logan Jr. Chef here, and I'm here with Leslie from MasterChef Season 5, and we're out here and we're going to be throwing down a street fight here in Nashville, Tennessee. Now, you've come here to my town, so we got to throw down in the street here.
Hey,
so you ready?
Like I am ready. This is like the ultimate throwdown.
Yeah,
I love it.
Well, while Leslie knows what he's doing, I do not know what I'm doing, so I think that you're at a slight advantage here going into this. But I'm not too worried because I brought a lot of ingredients. I'm sure I can pull something together, maybe.
Well, what exactly do you plan on cooking?
All right. Well, I've got lamb chops. I've got some curry powder. I got maybe some couscous, maybe some mint, some secret weapon vinegar, a few other ingredients, the miscellaneous mystical spice box, and I think I got a lemon too.
Excellent. Now I'm going to do a citrus glazed Chilean sea bass with some fresh oranges and some grapefruits. I also brought a can of this Del Monte citrus salad, which you could use.
Whoa. Are we endorsed by Del Monte now?
No, not really, but I just figured in case you can't get an orange or a grapefruit, why not get it all in one can?
Oh my God, one whole can?
One whole can.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out. So let's get started on the prep, and then we'll start cooking. All right, guys. So we've just gotten started. I've got my water boiling for my couscous here, so I'm gonna get started with this because it's my first turn of the hot plate. So I'm gonna add in my seasoning packet. I'm gonna add in my couscous. Boom. Done. Give this a nice little stir. Now this is gonna set and rest, and gonna cook up really nicely. So I'm actually gonna grab a spoon, give it a little bit of a stir. Now that's it for my couscous. This is gonna be ready for plating. Very simple, very easy. I've already got one element, and I'm gonna be adding in my sugar to make my gastrik. Now, gastrik's one of my favorite sauces, and I think it's gonna give me an edge in this street fight. I think.
Really?
Yes.
Sugar gastrik?
Sugar gastrik. Yep. I've got my special vinegar here. I've got my Jack Daniels, and I know that this is going to become the difference maker. I think that adding a sauce element will really, seal the deal. You sweating up there?
Yes, it's getting hot in here.
It is. Oh, thank you, Mom. So, got my apricot, which I might need, I might not need. I'm not too sure yet. I'm still working on it. Right now I'm trying to get my sugar right to the right temperature before I start adding in more ingredients to it. So we're going to be getting in some favors with this dish, if you can get the joke there, since I am going to be using curry powder.
Oh, so, nice.
Yeah.
Nice piece of Chilean sea bass here.
You went with the high dollar fish.
He went with the high dollar fish.
Go big or go home.
Oh no.
That's what I always say. My knife could be a little sharper, but it is what it is.
Oh man, is that from your roll in there? You got a knife roll?
Yeah. No. This is just my camping knife. It's either do or die. It either cuts or it doesn't. So you either use it or lose it.
Oh.
So. But as a whole, no, it looks great. Everything is ready to go. So whenever you can clean up over there and finish up, I'll take over that.
You're looking for the hot plate?
Yes, sir.
All right. I think my gastrik has reduced enough, so I'm going to pull it off and let it kind of set a little bit. It should thicken up really nicely. Oh, I need my clove of garlic. My one solitary clove of garlic, which I threw in at the last minute as I left home. I just tossed this little guy in there because I knew that this would be what would win this for me. So it doesn't look good. Well, it doesn't have to look good. It just has to taste good. That's what I keep telling myself. I mean, I say the same about Taco Bell. Mr. Leslie's almost done, and that's an issue because I'm running out of time. I feel the crunch of the street fight coming down.
Coming down.
All right.
Make way. I'm coming in.
Coming in.
We're gonna
So when are you getting started?
Right now, I just got a little olive oil and some butter, and then I'm gonna just throw my orange slices in there with some orange juice and some grapefruit.
You're just throwing those in there without balancing out the fat and the water content.
No. Never. I don't very rarely measure anything.
All right.
So I cook el natural. That's just my style. I'm not, unless I'm baking, I really don't measure.
Oh, that sounds like an art.
Yes, pretty much. It's it's by taste. You taste it. Gordon Ramsay always said, "Taste your food. Taste your food." I mean, really?
I mean, he said a lot of other things that we could quote him on, but
Yes.
yeah, but that would get us demonetized and deplatformed, right?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
So what do you got over there?
Oh, I've got some fancy Olive Bar things. I've got these little fancy peppers that are going to be slightly spicy, slightly pickled. I'm mixing them with my mint here. This is going to be my kind of cold element, is what I'm thinking. So I've got my mint, and then I'm going to be adding in these guys. You want to try one?
Yeah, sure.
These
Are
are
they spicy?
No. These are kind of sweetish. Aren't those kind of interesting? They're
Oh yeah, those
yeah.
delicious. Very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, they're kind of a cross between a tomato and a pepper.
Really?
Was what the guy told me. I don't know.
Wow, that's nice. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, so I'm going to get this really colorful kind of salsa slaw going. And I am going to be adding my singular clove of garlic to this. Or at least a little bit of it. Because I know that that's what's going to win this, guys. The little clove of garlic. Oh, no. What are you shaking your head for?
I don't know. I'm not shaking my head. Well, we'll see it in the end when we finally do the final tasting in the parking lot.
There's my sweet element. It's going to balance everything out. Oh, wow. So is that fully reduced there?
No. Not yet. It's working. I'm kind of missing a little strainer. I would like to get some of the pulp out to make it, more of a clear sauce. And then by putting the orange slices and the grapefruit slices on top and the final plating, and then I torch it because I don't have a broiler here. And, we got to do what we got to do in the street. That's why it's called a street fight.
Street fight. Oh man, my pepper isn't as spicy as I thought it'd be. Oh. My no plan is getting to me here. I'm starting to unravel.
Don't sweat the small stuff.
But I'm sweating here. I've got all this delicious flavor wafting over here.
I get it. I understand your problem here. But not really the parking lot.
Yeah,
the
living
hotel,
on the streets here.
In which we're
How many
staying
street
at.
fights do you get out here? Outside
No,
your
I
home?
don't. I'm not a fighter. I'm a lover, not a
A
fighter.
lover, not a fighter.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
man.
I'm the guy who always takes care of the girls while the guys go off to war. So I don't mean that in a bad way, but somebody's got to take care of the women.
Alrighty, I'll get my Monopoly money.
There you go. I'll take anything at this point. You got any Bitcoin by any chance?
No, I don't have any Bitcoin, unfortunately. We're just gonna give it a while here. So, did you have a favorite challenge from your days on MasterChef?
Yeah, I love my pressure test. I love sending people home. That was a good thing, especially when they lost. But
Really strong showings.
yeah, I tried my best. That's all. That's all you can do. You do the best you can, and hopefully, the judges like what you did. You did, and it is what it is.
Yeah. So I've added in some more butter here. Got my lamb cooking up, searing up the aroma. It's getting there. I'm starting to really feel confident in it. I'm feeling confident in my blend, and you can see the flavor just soaking into these oils. That is a sign that it's going my way. How are you feeling? You feeling nervous?
I am feeling nervous. It smells delicious.
So it's looking good.
That plate does get hot. Wow.
We're cooking.
I hear it sizzling.
Actually gonna plate up my finished dish. So I'm gonna grab my finished dish plate from our very esteemed panel of judges. Oh wait, my dish is in the back. It's over there. Got the dish. Don't mind that. So now I'm gonna start trying to plate this up. I need to get my.
I was gonna say, I thought you stole my spatula.
No, this is.
Well, we got the same one, isn't it?
Oh,
Look
wow.
at that.
Wow. Real chefs know where it's at.
Exactly.
No, hang on. go. Alright, so got that going. I'm actually going to get my little salsa slaw here, my relish. I'm going to relish this victory. Now this does happen to have the single clove of garlic in it, so this could make or break it, you know.
Start heating this up. Start off slow and low, and then you can always increase the heat.
Alrighty.
So
Increasing the heat.
yes, definitely.
I mean, I can feel the heat and humidity rising out here on the streets, so I can. That's a pretty fancy technique you got going on
Oh,
there.
you like that?
Yeah,
It's called picking up the pan. I mean, don't get it confused with some
With putting
fancy
down the pan.
with some fancy French word we're going to use to
Oh,
call it. You know, like
what kind of fancy? French
I don't
word
know,
like
like le pan. Yeah, I don't know.
isn't that bread in French?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
what?
Isn't it bread?
Right? Oh, the
bread.
yeah, pretty much.
Yeah,
That's right.
I mean,
You're
I didn't even
absolutely
take
right.
French. I mean, I took Japanese. I mean, shows how much that helped me.
Yeah, so you know parler français, huh?
No.
Okay, je ne
Si.
sais pas.
Si.
L'édition, s'il vous plaît. You know what that means? I'll have to check, please.
Oh, that's a good one. I thought that was, would you like to go
That's
out with
one of
me?
the few words I know. L'édition, s'il vous plaît. That in carafe, no. That means water, please. But I'm going to season my fish now while
All
this
right.
is getting hot.
Oh, hitting it with the pink salt.
Yeah, the
Pink
pink
salt.
salt. I tell you, there's
Oh,
something
man.
about pink salt that really adds a nice.
And you're going with the pepper, too.
Oh, just a touch on the pepper.
Oh, wow.
Just a touch.
Just
I'm
gonna lay it in there?
put. Yes, I'm gonna put that side down first.
Wow, you're going with that side down first.
Yeah.
You know, a very famous chef once told me, I think you might know him, Chef Graham, I think it's a Graham, something with an E.
Yeah.
You remember him?
Yeah. I remember him.
Yeah. I think that he told me that you want to put it, skin side down first. Presentation side down first.
Well, I thought this is not the presentation side.
That's not the presentation
No,
side?
no. You'll see in the end. That's why I want to get a nice little crisp on it. Let it sear a
But
little.
will it have the crispy skin?
I'm
that's what
hoping.
I'm worried
hoping.
about.
Remember, we're out here in the streets. There are a lot of elements that make it not work out so well. So, but can you hear the sizzle? Can you smell the olive oil? Yes, it's getting hot in here.
It is. I can agree. I can feel the temperature rising. I'm starting to get a little worried because that's a pretty nice sized piece of sea bass.
Yeah, well, I need to fill
that
up
looks-
the plate
I mean,
because
that
I don't
looks
have all
pretty
the
good.
exercise that you have.
I mean,
You know,
I happen to have about 10 minutes to grab everything from my house, which is not in the middle of the street, and come out here to the street to do this battle. So I might have forgotten a few things. I'm feeling a little nervous, but
that's all right.
But my streak, the texture is right where I want it. I'm feeling pretty happy about that. I'm a little nervous about how the single clove garlic is going to feel. I'm afraid that might lose it for me or win it. I feel like that's really where I'm going to lose it.
I don't know.
In the-
I
in the-
like
in the
garlic,
char-
so it might work for me.
It might.
You might
Might
get my
not.
vote.
I mean,
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll see.
Pretty much get a nice brown, crisp coating on the top
Uh-huh.
of the fish itself, because when I flip it over, I'm going to sear the skin and make it nice and crispy. Me personally, I think the skin is the fish. Okay, I love a nice crispy, not burnt, crispy,
Not burnt.
skin.
So-
I don't care whether it's
It's burnt.
salmon skin, Chilean sea bass.
I mean, Chilean sea
whatever.
I mean, you clearly got the better protein out of this than I got. I mean, the Chilean sea bass. Oh, wow! Look at that.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's starting to look at that. Yeah,
Wow.
it's getting real hot in here.
It's getting there.
Yes,
That-
it is.
That's an impressive sear right there. Wow! Thank God. Oh, you had me a little nervous.
Yeah,
look at
but
the
look
square
at
plate.
that. Come close. Bring it inside.
All right.
You know,
all right.
it would have
All
been
right,
nice if it
let's
had a
take it
little-
to the judging table by the
Okay.
towel, and we can
Okay.
I mean tablecloth. Sorry.
I just hope my fish is cooked. It's
Uh-huh.
nothing worse than serving
7,
Gordon Ramsay raw
6.
fish.
I mean,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! You're done.
All right, let's get this all angled just right. So, I actually have my own drizzle here. You can see this is my discreet.
Wow.
Look at that.
That looks delicious.
Yeah.
Smells great.
So there we go. Now, I guess we should present our dishes to the judges. For those of you at home, and for the one other person, cameraman Mom, today I have prepared for you, Leslie, and Mom, and all of you guys at home, I prepared the curried lamb chops with a toasted pine nut couscous and a hot pepper, mint, garlic, and apricot little jelly. So that's my dish, and it also is garnished with the Jack Daniel's Gastrique, which this video is not endorsed by, although we hope Street Fight is one day endorsed by Jack Daniel's. So take it away.
Here, we got an unbiased judge maybe over here lurking in the background. I think he should be the person who tastes without him knowing whose dish is what. And let him be the judge.
All righty.
Are you in?
All right,
Good,
come on
over. We have a Chilean sea bass and we have lamb chops.
I'm Eric Greer. Live here in Cool Springs, and these guys are gonna let me try out their food.
There you go.
All righty.
Go. Let me know. Let me know what you think of the Chilean sea bass.
It's delicious. What kind of sauce is this?
It's citrus glaze with orange and grapefruit. A little salt, pepper, some olive oil, some butter.
You seem awfully knowledgeable. Is that your dish?
Pretty much.
All right.
Good.
So what do you
No.
think?
Oh, whoa. Back up a little.
That's delicious.
Would you buy this in a restaurant is the bigger question.
Oh. Are you trying to get biased judge here?
Yeah,
I
no,
thought this
not
was
at all. I'm
unbiased.
just
I think you
curious
slipped
to
him a
what he's
50.
really. Yes, I paid him $20 to come out here. What are you kidding me? I'm no fool.
It's got the right fat with
is it
the
too sweet,
flavor of the
though?
butter in it. No, it's not sweet.
Yeah.
No,
All
it
right.
has a good acid.
All right,
There you go.
and there you go.
Well, you
Try
got
the lamb
another-
chops. Or
Unless you want to use
No, I don't really
the real
use it.
knife.
no, not a real knife.
Boy, this looks good.
Yeah, this is a pan-seared curried lamb chop with a toasted pine nut couscous and a spicy apricot kind of chutney, I guess. Call it chutney.
I love seafood. It's better than that.
What? Give me my $20 back.
No.
Well, at least you got second place this time.
He's a meat and potatoes kind of guy. He's
not-
no seafood
I'm gonna
lover.
take this one with me.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, it's good. Bye.
Going for another bite here.
Oh, man. No, again, third place. I'm a loser. I can't seem to win.
It's haunting
The
you.
first pressure test I've ever lost. There you go. By none other than Logan from Master Chef Jr.
With our unbiased judge.
with our unbiased parking lot judge. He is
The
so
street
fired.
fight is over.
The street fight is over. The judge has spoken. Logan wins. I'm going to put my head down in shame and go clean
job,
the
dog.
kitchen. Like
Thank you.
Gordon Ramsay would tell me. Go clean the kitchen. Again, I'm going to do the walk of shame.
There's no shame. Head up.
Shame. Shame. Shame.